This is the intro to Long Hair Pretty Nail Show. Yeah.
Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back. So in this video, I'll be doing a quick update for the Modelones Polygel kit that I used a couple weeks ago. I used the color changing Polygel along with the dual forms and the top coat and base coat and all that good stuff. If you didn't see this initial video, I will link it down below. But this is how the kit looks. It comes with everything you need to do polygel nails, even the slip solution. I also love that it comes with a very detailed instructional pamphlet. It comes with the pictures to show you step by step on how to do the polygel nails. They also have contact information if you happen to run into any problems. They got some troubleshooting tips and stuff on the back, but if you have any problems, they do encourage you to contact them, which is really nice. So these nails have been on for 2 weeks and they have been going strong. No lifting, no breaking, even the stones are all on. I know people wanted to know how long these last. I'm gonna push back my cuticles just a bit so you guys can see the growth. My nails don't grow that fast, so this is what I get after 2 weeks. But as you can see, my cuticles are a bit crusty, but I don't have any lifting. So this polygel does last. I can even keep these on for longer if I want to. But if you guys know me, you know that I do not keep my nail designs on for long. I like to do my nails once a week. So I kept these on just to do an update for you guys because I love you all. But it is time to take these off. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do that. First, I'm taking these large nippers and I'm just going to cut down the length, and what I do is just snip a side and then the whole tip just comes off. And then I take off all of the crystals. This is after trimming them down and taking off all of the crystals. And now I'm going to use my hand file. This is a 100/180 nail file. And on the 100 grit side, I'm just going to file the nails. Now you can continue to do this with the hand file and file them all the way down if you want to. But because I'm just impatient, I'm going to use my e-file and this coarse drill bit, and I'm just going to file down the nails as thinly as I can. I don't like to file really close to my natural nail, so I'm just going to get these down as thin as I'm comfortable with. And I will leave links to everything that I use down below. Alright, so this is after filing all of my nails down. So what I'm going to do next is soak these off. I have my cotton squares and my soak off nail clips. I got these nail clips a while ago, so I believe I got them from Amazon. I'll try to find the link, and then I'm going to use 100% acetone nail polish remover. And I'm going to soak these cotton pads with the acetone. Alright, so after they are all on, I'm just going to let these sit for about 10 minutes. So after that time, I'm just going to take off the pinky nail and see how far I've gotten. So the polygel does get soft with the acetone and you're able to just scrape it right off. But this one needs some more time, so I'm just going to put it back in my nail clip and wait about another 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, so it is much softer now and I'm able to get it off easier. And I'm just going to do that with all of my nails. Alright, so after getting off majority of the polygel, there's like a really thin film of it and there's no need to keep soaking for that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just gently file the rest of that off. So this is after all of the polygel is off and I went ahead and buffed my nails as well. Now I'm going to apply some cuticle oil just to get back some of those oils that were sucked out from the acetone. And now my nails are as good as new and ready for a new design. So I am impressed at how long the polygel has lasted. Like I said, I could have wore these nails even longer if I wanted to. But they were easy to come off, easy to soak off, and yeah, I am impressed. So if you guys are interested in this polygel kit, I will leave the links down below. And I want to give a big thank you to Modelones for sponsoring this video.
This is the outro to the long hair pretty nail show. Yeah.